Alright guys, we got the Bitcoin here. It's been quite some time since the last time we followed up. As you can see, nothing to write home about. But I would like to refresh your memory with regard to the game plan we have here on the Bitcoin. As you know, we got our finger right on the trigger, ready to pull. But we're waiting for one of two scenarios to begin to unfold here. The first one, which is our favorite because it follows the guideline of this technical picture, and that means reaching the final destination on this downside correction phase, right? This bearish market that takes place already 7 months, but eventually reaching the level of 4,750 right here on the bottom. The level of 4,750 is the last line of correction by definition. Fibonacci correction 76.4 of the whole upside trend all the way to 20,000. So I think it is more likely that price will land at that point, and only then will begin the bottoming out phase, which could be in a few in a few weeks time. However, there's a second scenario where price doesn't really hit that level, doesn't really reach that level, but instead begins the bottoming out right now, which is also a favorable scenario at the end of the road. I mean, the only problem with this scenario is that we would have to use far above level as a reference level, meaning the level of 9332 that had played an important role all across the bearish market, right? The 9332 level will have to become our limit, kind of our trigger level if price begins to continues this upside move, because anything else could be a bullish trap, right? So anything between price right now trading at around 6,500 and 9332 could be a bullish trap where price will begin to drop again, aiming at that 4,750. So I would be very much cautious on the upside. This is why I'm saying going down to 4,750 is our favorable scenario, because it would not be involved with losing the whole way up until to the key level of 9332, because only then, and only with a monthly close above that level, we'll know for sure that price is basically beginning the next bullish run. Unless that happens, we will have to settle with waiting for price to hit the 4,750, which will also be an extremely attractive price to pick it up, right? So we'll see how it goes. In the meantime, obviously, price has entered this really obnoxious, annoying type of sideways movement where it does basically nothing, right? Very, very narrow range. I mean, for day traders, sure, that could work, but for us as position traders, we will have to wait a little bit more to see where price is about to head. But interesting times. I feel that the next bullish run, the next bullish market is right around the corner. So it's going to be really interesting to follow up on this one, and that's what we'll do. We'll keep you posted. In the meantime, we'll say goodbye, and we'll see you tomorrow.